Welcome everyone to Birds and Friends. I'm the birds and these are my friends. And today we're going to be opening booster packs for Dawn of Majesty, which I totally forgot the name of. We've got Fancy Field Centers and we also got the Lost Art Barrel Dragon.
I couldn't find it.
You couldn't find it, it's lost. Should we do it like one? Like we'll do it all.
Yeah. One,
okay.
one, and then one.
Okay,
and then
one. Okay, so what do we want from this set? What are we looking for?
Nothing.
Everyone wants the Starlight, obviously.
Okay, we want the Starlight. I want Baby Mud Dragon, and I want the bird.
I want a Pokemon card.
You want a Pokemon card? I don't think you're gonna get a Pokemon card in this, actually. Right, we've got Gunkan Suship Ikura, Glacier Aquamador, Despia Theatre of the Branded,
Ooh.
Dispatch Parazzi, whatever, this guy from Genshin Impact,
Nice.
2 Toads with 1 Sting,
That's pretty good.
Chronomaly, Magic-y Duo, and Pazazule.
Rare Charizard!
Right, you'll go.
Alright. Move the dragon with the weird neck. Alright, cool.
So mean to the dragon.
He has a weird neck. I don't know how to open these, so wait one second. Here, I'm drawing my hand, Yugi. Ta-da! Alright, let's see. We got Chad the Magic Key Sky Blaster. We got Converging Will Dragon.
We got the bird!
We got Slower
We got the
Swallow.
bird!
I'm pretty quick when I swallow, but good for you, card. Cosmic Slicer Zarel. Bee Trooper! I don't know. Oh,
Formation.
yeah.
That's
Magic Key
what
Duo.
right?
I don't know.
Raiden the Heavenly General. I thought it was the Heavy General. I was like, that's mean. Jar of Generosity. No, you're right. We got a Flying Red card.
Flying Red
Oh,
card.
he's doing the Pikachu
Oh,
meme.
I love him. I want to look at the bird.
Can I have mine then?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I want to look at the bird.
Let it rip, Sam.
Wait, if you control 2 monsters at the same level, you can special summon this card from your hand?
Gonna try
That's
that.
so bad.
Oh, that's actually really cool. Gaia Morph Dragon Shell,
Oh yeah, that's kind of D&D character.
Yeah.
Thespian Tragedy,
Yeah.
Sandbelled Starbonder.
It's you.
It is pretty much.
It is, yeah.
Cosmic Slicer Zero,
Oh, we got Zero again.
Majestic Mirage,
There we go, we got another Stardust card.
Margin Trading,
Stonks.
Tri-Move Loading, Spriggan's Interlude,
Oh, you wanted the Brigand's cards, didn't you?
Jar of Generosity.
Okay.
Nice.
Alright.
Our cup runneth over.
We've got to yell like, it's time to rev it up to see if we can get...
Get set to see my deck.
To get decked! No, that's the wrong... I mean, we can yell that if we want the Xyz Dragon, because you want the Xyz
I want the
Dragon.
Xyz Dragon.
Oh, well,
Dragon.
speaking of Xyz Dragons, Dragonlock Pyren. That's the
Dragon
wrong-
Narc.
It's actually a worm, so it's not even.
Yeah.
Gunkan Suship Ikura Class Dreadnought.
It's just Lego.
I kind of want to eat it. Dispatcherazzi, Slower Swallow again. Daigusto Laplampilica is another bird.
Oh my gosh,
You're
it's
getting
a
all the
lamp.
birds.
Branded Bond, Magic-y Unlocking, Different Dimension Derby, and
That's that
Seaside Supper Spots. So far we've only had supers. Can we get an Ultra or a Secret or a Starlight, please?
Starlight, please.
Starlight.
Oh, I guess
yeah,
I go.
It's your go.
My turn.
your move.
I draw 5 cards.
I am ready to duel. Go ahead and make your move.
All right, we got the crab chip.
Okay.
Crab chip. We got a tree, the mystical
Oh, it's a
beast of the
bear
first.
tree.
Yeah,
Oh,
bear
that's
tree.
nice.
Okay, we got the Powerpuff Girls.
Oh.
We got Oni-chan right here, big and bright.
Oh, you got a
Magic Key,
dragon.
Andy the Magic Dragon. We got Springens, Goki finishing move, Branded Bond, just a bro on his dragon. Pretty sick. I like him.
Dude hanging out.
And Bee Trooper! Flying Sting.
Alright,
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
please get us something that's
Skeleton
not
Warriors.
super.
Da-da-da-da.
Card of the cards.
Please. You contribute this card and
the-
draw 2
legit
cards
just gonna
instead of
look at
1.
Okay, Mystical Beast again. It's a bear. I've got another bird.
You got the bird!
Gust of Verde.
I'm trading that from you.
Yeah, totally.
Oh my god.
Despia Theater the Branded.
Yeah,
So
you got
melodramatic,
Hellhound.
I love it.
Yeah.
Hey, I got another Sam though.
Hey, this is
Hey.
your Sam.
Chronomalies.
Chronomalies.
You got a marble.
Magella Globe. What's that based on?
A marble.
Polluter, Different Dimension Derby, Gunkin, Sushi Ship, Seaside Supper Spot. Can't say that 5 times fast. And Gunkin Sushi Daily Special.
There we go. What is the daily special? Clearly not.
Probably your salmon.
When you activate this card, you can also reveal one Goken Shunship Shari.
We got another bird!
We got
Oh,
the
baby,
peacock.
essence of vanity.
I might actually trade for that. That's
Yeah,
really pretty.
that's fine. Despia Theater of the Branded. Chronomally Akambaro figures.
Weird Arm Dragon.
We got another Sam. Pendulum Treasure. Add one pendulum monster from deck to your extra deck face up. Okay.
Nice.
We should get that to Marion.
Seaside Supper Spot, Daily Special, Tailwind of Gusto, and Shinobi Insect Hagakuremino. He's a guy. He's like a dude. Oh, okay. We're still only on supers, guys.
Grass
Come on,
boy,
come on, Tanner,
grass
take it
boy.
away.
I draw. Alright.
Please break the trend.
We open the pack.
We open the pack.
We devour the cards. We got Glacier Aqua Matador.
Aquamador, that's a nice oldie.
The
Jupiter
Psychopompos.
Psychopompos.
Alien Stealth Buster. Weirdo.
Stealthbuster.
Oh, the Dragon Narc.
Dragon.
Ooh, hey, we got a secret! Anti-human intelligence Messiah.
That is me. I am very anti-human. Nice. We got a Trimid, a Beast King Unleashed,
Tailwind.
Tailwind of Gusto, and we got a really bad restaurant. Sick! We did it!
We did
We
it.
got
We
a
got
secret.
one secret.
We really be out here.
Alright, see if we
Bees.
can keep that going.
Sleeved him.
You were prepared for this.
I was. I mean, I only have 2 sleeves and like a bunch of plastic ones. Next
I
to
also
me,
have
but
2 sleeves.
I don't have any sleeves.
Converging Little Dragon.
Hey.
Hey.
It looks
We
like,
haven't been good on
it looks like
this
that.
one.
What's that? I can't think of the
Looks
name.
like
There's a,
Yusei's bite.
there's
It
that
looks
one.
like a Keyblade.
Dragon Lord Perrin, Magic-y Sky
You got
Blaster,
Chad.
Chad.
Alien Stuffbuster.
Wait.
Starlight!
Wait,
No, I
is that
think
the
that-
Starlight?
No,
Like
that's what the
Se-
Starlight is.
that's
The
secret.
secret, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah. Sorry, I
okay.
meant secret. I
I
said
was about to
Starlight.
smash the egg. Big
Oh my
mistake
gosh.
there.
Holy.
Alright,
Well.
alright, we need to discuss trades after this.
Yep.
Okay. Very nice.
I don't
Look at the boy.
So good.
That's
Okay, I think
beautiful.
this camera's a little
Wait,
better.
wait, shall I, yeah, let me
Yeah.
sleeve him.
Can I borrow a sleeve, please?
Yeah, I got you.
It was me!
He did not get the boy.
I got the boy.
There you go. There's the boy.
Thank you.
Front and center.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my
I
God.
gave you that. It was me.
Put it next to the egg.
Monster.
Oh, goodbye.
No, it's fine. It just the screen flashes.
No, goodbye. And
Shaking. Monster Assortment, Chronomally Esperanza Glyph. Probably butchering that pronunciation. Maze Attraction Viking Vortex. And, Spriggan
you've never been more ready for thumbs up, 7
I'm
up.
just thinking, these are, we all got these from the same box.
Yeah.
So is it 2 secrets per box? Have we hit, did we
I
just
don't
get
know.
the 2 secrets from the
Probably.
box and then we're done?
And then
Yeah.
nobody else who
Nobody
goes from that
pulls
box.
it. Okay, we got, the Powerpuff Girls, Junebera Psychopomp, Masters Diplomat, Sam, Albion, Crown Dragon.
boy!
Nice Monster Assortment, Esperanza Glyph, Spriggans included, Margin Trading.
Majin
Okay,
Buu.
we like the boy.
Alright.
Boy.
I'm glad you guys here because I'm so bad at pulling. Like,
Says the person who got, what, like 3 Ultimate Dark Requiems?
oh no, I got 2 Ulti Requiems from my OTS pack.
All right.
OTS
And
packs
Droplet.
are stacked. Yeah, and
We got
Oh yeah,
a
Dragon
G.
Shell. Yeah,
We got
we
a
got
peacock.
another one, a peacock.
We got the Gookie.
Ikura.
We got like this. I know he has 2 arms, but it looks like
figures.
one weird.
Oh, you got
Yeah, we
another
got the
glove.
Glob.
Yeah, we got the sun.
Special.
We got.
Goofy. And
Oh,
another
it's insane. It looks
Shinobi.
exactly like another pack.
Yeah,
like
some of the
it's
packs
almost
look
like
right.
this is automated by a machine.
Oh, gee, I wonder why.
So what have we done? We've got no ultras, we've gotten supers and 2 secrets. Yeah, I hope if there's only 2 secrets per box, we've ruined it for anyone else.
I would apologize, but I really don't care.
Well, I think we can still get a Starlight, can't we? Because the Starlight doesn't count as a secret.
Yeah, the Starlight is added by the CEO of Konami himself.
Kaiba? Kaiba?
Kaiba.
Okay, Gunkin Suship Shari, Doombear Psychopompus,
That's Chad?
Majesty Sky Blaster, Glacier Aqua
You're still
Majora.
shaky from the last one.
I am. Tindangle Drill.
Ting Tangle Bingle Bangle.
Tingle Bingle Bangle.
I like the pronunciation better.
Leafeon.
Shinobi Insecta.
Don't bother, Sam. Just throw them down.
Brand
Face
Bond.
down.
And Magic Key Unlocking.
Slap them down.
Right.
Alright, last pack for everyone, I think, so we'll
Start us
see.
off.
Can we get this?
Starlight Secret Rare
Can we get
Dragon.
the Starlight Secret Rare Dragon? We know I don't have it.
Ghost Rare Black Ghost
We
Dragon.
got Gunkin Suship Shari, we got the bear. I got
Bird.
the bird!
Oh,
Stardust
Stardust Trail!
Nice branded opening. Beast King Unleashed, Monster Assortment, Spriggans, and Dyna Synthesis. Okay,
Nice.
cool.
Alright, heart of the cards. Foot of the llama. Let's go.
Cards Foot of the Llama.
Yeah,
Where did the
that's it.
llama come from? Confused.
Have you seen Emperor's New Groove?
Yeah.
It's a favorite
Cusco
movie.
Stardust Trail, Pod.
Hey, nice.
The ship, Cosmic Home Slice,
Cosmic Home Slice.
Majestic Absorber,
Amazement.
Chad's girlfriend. We got like Jafar when he became the genie, and we got Spriggans, and we got two Stings. OP, what does this even do?
Just don't know. What does it do?
I'm going completely.
Sorry,
blind.
Tanner. It looks like you're not going to be able to smash this egg. The rule of smashing the egg is
Right.
getting the Starlight.
Card.
If there's no Starlight in Sam's,
Wait.
Okay,
Yeah.
he might get a card. I don't know.
Onisan.
Oh, no, there you
we're
go.
giving up pronouncing.
It's just a Pokemon. Chronomaly.
Weird arm.
Oh, I
Hey,
got
we got an Ultra.
Despian Quartz Heart.
Hey.
Gunkin Suship.
Snick and Snackle, big old bag.
More Gunkin Suship. Goki Finishing
What's
Move.
all had tickle me
And Tailwind of Gusto.
I get to see.
Alright, so the egg will not be cracked because there was no Starlight.
Yeah.
However, we did get both secrets and an Ultra. So sorry to anyone else who got the same box as us because we ruined it. Yeah, so this was our first time doing an unboxing video. Hopefully the quality is not garbage.
I was never in a box.
Alright, and on that note,
Da 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 da.
Thanks, guys.
what is going on here?
Subscribe.